Hi, Gareth from Port Muggies here, and we're on the Carnival Miracle, and we're going to walk down the length of deck 9 and then go up to 10 and walk back. So we're in the front of the ship. That's the spa. This is the first pool. It's a little cold today. It's the last day of a 5-day cruise to Cabo San Lucas. So it's breezy, chilly, but there's still people in the pool. So good for them, huh? Now we come to another pool. Of course, this is the Red Frog Rum Bar. Oh, Red Frog Rum Bar is over there. This is the Blue Iguana Tequila Bar. And another swimming pool. Iceberg joint right there. See the sign on the wall. Blue Iguana Cantina. About to enter the buffet. Oh no. Whoa. Yes. So this is the buffet, and they're playing music pretty loud in here, so I'm going to talk non-stop, I think. But anyway, and I don't mean to rush, but I don't want to be a nuisance to anybody. That's the stairway up to Nick and Nora's Steakhouse. The buffet is changing over from lunch to dinner. The ship is not that crowded, but it's more crowded than many has been in the last few months since the restart, we'll call it. I'm going to slow down here so I can get this guy to move ahead. But anyway, so this is the end of the buffet here and the back of the ship. And then we're going to be in Serenity, adults only area. Hi there. And here it is. There's a bar here. The guy taking pictures of everybody. I'm gonna swing out here a little wide. Oh, it's nice and warm here. It's in the wind. It's an icy cold wind. There's a pool out here and a spa, hot tub, whatever you want to call it, out here. That's the back of the ship, right? Aft. Water slides. I don't think they're using them today because of the wind, but I'm not positive. You swing around here. People are trying to be funny in my video, huh? Anyway, towel rental. Well, towels are free. Get as many as you want. Now we're going to go up to deck 10. Get on the yellow slide, it's called the Twister, and that's where you get on the green slide, which is called Green Thunder. But like I say, they're not working today. We're on the starboard side of the ship heading forward. The port side is exactly like this. Clamshells, nobody's using right now because it's so cold. Very few people out here, lots of lounge chairs not getting used. I'm going to say it's about 60 degrees with that wind. Might be warmer. I probably should have worn a jacket and some pants. But anyway, deep blue Pacific Ocean down there. Nick and Nora's Steakhouse is through those windows, through those doors, if you please. almost all the way forward. So here is somebody screaming something. Anyway, very quiet up here. The wind stopped. Well, sort of stopped. This must spell Carnival Miracle on the other side, I'm guessing. Not positive. This is the upper part of the gym. I don't think you can see through there. That's the lower part down on deck 9. This is the very front of the ship. So, here's